Cannot break my stride. Also, before we start anything, gotta have the involved. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Y'all know it's that girl Nia, and I'm back with another video. So before I get into the video, I want to thank my lovely subscribers for 300 subscribers. Hello, we're on our way to 400 subscribers, and you know I like to celebrate small wins. It's a big thing. Yeah. Hello. So before we get into this girl's talk, before we get into this girl's talk, what I want y'all to do is subscribe, like, and share up the video, because I mean, y'all love me. I still gonna do a girl's talk. Hello, we don't still girls over here. I'm a girl's girl, so I'm gonna always rap for the girlies, because it is me. So yeah, let's get right into the girl's talk. The first thing we have on the agenda is God. Okay, we know before we start anything, God have to involve. Before we do anything, God have to involve. Hello? Yes. So my advice about basically having a better relationship with God. That's what I start with. How to have a relationship with Christ. So first, y'all can, read up on the Bible, and then read up your Bibles. You might try talking in English. I try to talk more English than more broken English. Yeah.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive.
Yeah. Read up your guys' Bible and stuff, and yeah, listen to worship songs. Have a bit of a closer communication with God. Talk to God like say hello, are your friend you talk to. Yeah, talk to God like your friend you talk to. And just reason with him, whatever you go through, make him know where you go through, everything where you do, every step of the way. Please remember God, because if it wasn't for him, trust me girl, you wouldn't be sitting here watching this video. Hello? Would you? Would you be sitting here watching this video? Okay. So yeah, that's one of the tips and tricks to get closer with God. As I said before, read your Bibles, pray, listen to music, gospel music, listen, yeah, and communicate with him just like you communicate with friends, just like you communicate with your mother, you communicate with your father, sister, brother, friend, anybody. Communicate with God just like that. You know, if you can pray, if you can communicate with God. Yeah, now we can pray, if you can communicate with God. Next on the list, I have tips and tricks to get your confidence up and running. Hello? All the confident girls is step in the room right now, trust me, you're not gonna somebody that's told me this a little bit before, maybe over there, you're not gonna always have confidence, okay? You're not gonna always be a confident person, because you have ups and downs. Thing is, you have ups and downs. There are days when you're gonna be up, and there are days when you're gonna be down. So, and I me tell you, say hello, you got with this person, I got always be confident. Trust me. It's not hard to be confident. It's not, cause basically you are be you and I be confident while being you. Okay, owning the room. Walk in our room head high. I went to a day is so shitty. You still got to walk in the room hello, I am that girl. I am the boss. I am the boss. You are the boss. You have to step in the room you are the actual boss. Head high, walking like a model, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, you have to own it. You have to own your confidence. You have to own you, because you are that girl, and you have to always be that girl, which you are. Hello. And guys, you can also repeat daily affirmations I am enough. Yeah, nobody cannot break my stride. Also? Nobody can might not shine, not slow me down. Oh no. Yeah, nobody not just tell yourself, say hello. No matter what, me I gonna be me, me I gonna be comfortable with me. I'm gonna be comfortable in this body that I am in. I'm gonna own this body, okay? I'm gonna own me. I'm gonna hold my face, I'm gonna hold my hands, I'm gonna hello. Yeah, you can do this, girl. You can do this. Trust me, you can do this. So guys, it's really not hard. It really, I know I had something to be confident. Like, please do, you have to remember self-care. You have to you have to eat, you have to sleep, because hello, there's a big day ahead of you to be confident. You have to eat, you have to have energy for stepping into the room with your head held high. Yeah, trust me. You have to eat, you have to sleep, you have to take your rest. Yeah, also you have to just for success. Not just to impress, but just for success. Hello. Just for success to reach your goal, because hello. Treat yourself like a person. You have to treat yourself like the person where you want to be. Like, be you. Treat yourself how you would want to be loved. Okay? Like how you don't want somebody else treat you. You treat yourself first, like how you don't want somebody treat you before you look for somebody treat you how you expect to be treated. That makes sense?
So seriously, this is so serious right now.
No, that girl don't make sense. What I'm saying is, treat yourself good before you expect that somebody else treat you good and they not treat you properly. Okay? You have to know about your self-love before you can know say somebody I love you right. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I think I say it right. I'm not sure. But only get what me I say. Hello? Yeah, I get what I'm saying, because y'all my girls, you're supposed to get what I'm saying. Hello? Yeah, so that is on being confident. You have to just be you, girl. Like, fake it till you make it. Hello? You have to fake it till you make it. You hear about that? Fake it till you make it. Fake being confident if you are not already confident until you start believing that you are confident. Yeah. Next on my list, I have know your worth. I got know your worth. You have to know your worth, guys. Like, you have to know who are you. Have to look at yourself and say, who am I? Who are you? Like, who are you? You have to look at yourself and say, who am I? And I'm asking, who are you? You are that girl. You have to believe that I am that girl. You understand? Yeah. Because ain't no way y'all go out in the streets and you don't know your worth. You can make everybody be with you like, oh, however they want to be with you. You have to know to stand up for yourself and say, hello, I am me. And I know how I want to be treated, and you're gonna treat me like how I want to be treated. Hello. Clock it. Hello, clock it. I have to surround yourself with positivity, surround yourself with good people, because trust me, there are some bad people out here that don't want nothing good for you. Trust me, they don't want nothing good for you. You have to surround yourself with positivity. Why did I go this? I draw things on the floor. Hello, don't draw anything on the floor. Anyway, not my floor, guys. Okay. So yeah. Next, another topic there. Celebrate big wins. You know, underneath know your worth, but yeah, it is underneath know your worth. Celebrate big wins. Actually, celebrate big wins and small wins. You have to celebrate all the wins. Then celebrate small wins first. Forget to the big wins. Hello, and you have to be very compassionate about yourself. Like you have to be that person. You have to be you. Be yourself. Next, I have how to handle negative vibes and stay out of haters' way. Guys, this is a big one. This, with me, is a big one. Like, how to deal with haters. Like, yeah, how to deal with haters. Guys, first, I just say know your worth, but I'm going to say it again. You have to know your worth. You have to know, say, hello, you're not going to stand up and argue with nobody just because they hate you. You have to know your worth. You got to. Because you are you. You are that girl. And listen, when people try to dry you out, like, I am a bridge bait. Like, you can bridge me. Like, you can dry me like shoeless. But not all the time. I know my worth. I do. So sometimes I just answer for fun, but like I need to stop it because I'm that girl. Hello. So yeah, you have to know your worth. And you can't make nobody to dry out. You can't make nobody say certain things. Sometimes you really have to learn to walk with things, and trust me, I wasn't a person that always said this. Was always saying this. Like, no. Me never know how to walk out nothing. I did not know how to work out anything. I since know I'm a little mature and I look at things differently, and I say certain things I should even I do certain things should even like pay mind, like hello, like me, like I was so bad, like bad. They could have bounced me on my thumb pedal.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
Hello, that was me. I'm not that girl anymore. Like, I try to change, you know? I'm trying to change. Yeah. And guys, you have to surround yourself with love. If you see, let me tell you, if you don't know anybody, if you don't,
This is really embarrassing.
let in anybody and people try to bully you and hate on you, you're going to move with the hate. You're going to like accept that hate. Like you're gonna make them dry out. Like you are going to let them dry out. So it's really bad like that.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off.
Next thing, guys, you know, don't take it personally. Listen, haters, they live off this. Them live off of fear. So you can't make nobody, like you can't make them get to you. Sometimes you have to feel hurt and make them know, say, and let them see that you are not hurt. And when you're hurt deep down inside, you have to show them, say hello, okay, regular day, okay. Or you have to say okay, and yeah, because when you show them, say you fear them or them hurt you, it's like it feed them ego for hurt you more, try hurt you more. You have to know your worth. You have to know your worth. Don't make them bring you down. Like girls, don't let them bring you down. Like trust me. Taking risk. If you don't take risk, you won't be able to step out of your comfort zone. You have to see where you like. I'm not gonna go expert world word, but you have to take risk. If you want to do something, listen, no make nobody pushing you for do nothing out here. Girls, no make nobody pushing you for do nothing. Don't let nobody fool you, darling. Don't let anybody fool you. Be your own boss. I've been said this from start to finish. Be your own boss. No follow no friend. No make no friend tell no for do. Hello? Don't make them tell you what to do because they're going to lead down the wrong path. And all friends good. It's not all friends good. And all friends mean you're good, trust me. Yes, you have to be out here. You have to step out of your comfort zone. If, for instance, you want to do YouTube. Like when I don't know. Listen, I've been want to do YouTube. I want to do YouTube from me probably 7. Like I've been videoing, like I've been to take up the camera a video, like I've been on the YouTube. Actually, I posted a video before. People know me, but I know some posted like back then. I'm gonna take them down. Like I wanted to do it. I wanted to do YouTube. Yeah, I wanted to do YouTube. And guys, suppose you come back to anything I want to do, yeah, you have to tell yourself, say, hello, I'm going to do this. I am going to do this now. Okay? And trust me, when you take risk, you'll be surprised what you achieve, what you're capable of, what goals you achieve. Anyways, guys, that's it. What I will be saying is focus on your strength. Focus on what you are and not what you're not, please, because you will be surprised with what you achieve. And I leave with this question, girl, where's your confidence? Be you, always be you and be that girl. Hello. Anyways, I'm gonna be out now, so don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my socials. Hello. Yeah, and comment down below because I do answer comments, guys. I answer comments and y'all can subscribe. Y'all can comment and y'all can also subscribe. Also subscribe. When me and your words, hello. Bye. Kisses. Oh, I come back again. Guys, uno go follow me on my socials. Them I have a WhatsApp channel. I have Instagram channel. I have Discord, but I better use it. But if you want to go over there, go communicate, talk, or whatever. And if y'all want my videos, let me know in the comment down below. Kisses. Bye.